Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2019 Mazda CX-5, stock number 6131. This ran from the 5th 2018 to the current shape. It has a PE 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the PE 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Left front aftermarket 17-inch wheel, good tyre. Left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch aftermarket wheel, good tyre. Right rear 17-inch aftermarket wheel, good tyre. Right rear door no dents, right front guard no dents, right front headlight, right front aftermarket 17-inch wheel, good tyre. Right front door mirror, right front door no dents, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,